We'll guide you through how to perform a color space transform in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load up the project you want to work on. Head over to the Color page by clicking the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, go to the Nodes panel, which is usually to the right of your screen. You need to create a new node for the color space transform. Right-click in the node area, select Add Node, and then choose Add Serial. With the new node selected, go to the OpenFX panel, usually on the left side. In the search bar, type Color Space Transform, and drag it onto your newly created node. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the Color Space Transform settings appear in the Inspector panel on the right. You need to set your input color space to match the color space of your footage, like Rec.709 or log, and do the same for your input gamma. Then, set your output color space and output gamma to your desired target, such as Rec.709 for standard displays. These settings ensure that the colors are transformed correctly from the source to the target space. You might need to adjust these settings based on your specific footage and output requirements. After you've set up the color space transform, you can make additional adjustments if needed using other nodes. This method helps maintain color accuracy across different devices and editing workflows. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.